everyone, hope everyone's well. Just thought to give you a little bit of an update on the DJ's home garden. And to be truthful, we're making good progress. It's starting to come along now from where it did start, probably just about January time. So let's give you a quick spin round. Let's have a look. As you can see now, so I've got a few more little plants today. Got really nice palms, some ferns, some other little bits and pieces. So this is starting to look absolutely gorgeous now. We've still got a hell of a lot more planting to put in there. Just put a nice little fern in there, why not? Got all these in there. Got my actual little Japanese pergola, which I'm absolutely thrilled about. It's been in that garage for nearly a year and a half. With some really nice little creepers and stuff like that as well. We've got our stack slate sphere. This is pretty much where it's going to be positioned. We have got to put an Aquabasin 35 bib liner. Then all this section along here is going to be completely planted as well. Say by braided willow, I need to get another one just to go by that lot, and these will go into pots. So that looked pretty damn cool as well. This section's not a million miles away now. I say the living wall now is pretty much all complete. That's starting to really grow in absolutely fantastically. All the ivies and the creeping jenny are really starting to take shape, and it's really starting to look absolutely spectacular. I'm really over the moon with this, to be truthful, and all the little bits are starting to flower now as well, which is absolutely fantastic. I say what's happening on this section at the moment is we are going to be building a couple of metre waterfall in this section here into a little bit of a deep stream, just so the children can play. I say where that ice is at the moment, it's looking a little bit tired, to be truthful. We did dig that from an existing customer, so that may potentially come out. We will be putting a teepee in this section just so the kids can run across the stream, probably put a couple of stepping stones in there just so they can meander a little bit and mess about. And then all this section along here is going to be completely very heavily planted. Jensen's been digging multiple different ponds, and there's his one pond, there's his other pond and his diggers. So Jensen, my lad, is absolutely loving this stage in the project. So this section here, that is going to be completely lush green astroturf. It's going to be roughly a 40mm premium grade astroturf, so that'll look absolutely fantastic as well. I say in this section I've created another little bit of a raised bed just so that we can get a little bit of height. I'll probably put either a palm or something in there that's going to be quite tall, so it blocks that little bit of the office area. Then we'll be having a stepper there, and then literally the glacial boulders will wrap around this way, and then this section will tie into there. Then all this will be completely planted as well. On this section there's going to be a outdoor kitchen, which is going to be like a 90-degree angle, and we're going to get like a hot plate on there, and that'll be all cladded in either the same tile that we use on the floor. We'll do something completely different. And then this section along here, this will be a brand new porcelain patio as well. So we're definitely making progress. The garden is looking a hell of a lot better than it did. So we are making good progress. Just a little bit slow at the moment due to funds and stuff like that. But obviously this is the office section here as well. This is where I do all my paperwork, all my bits and pieces for the company. That is our view from our office, which is just absolutely gorgeous. Like I said before, it's still work in progress in a few little areas as well. We have got my little fish tank in there as well. Just looks absolutely gorgeous. Really love it. All my drones and all that kind of stuff as well. So we're resting on the least, but hopefully in the next couple of months or so we should be able to get more and more done. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.